Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm showing you guys my very easy roll and tuck hairstyle. This hairstyle, you can actually finesse it and get away with so many things. It's basically rolling and tucking crisscross ways. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much and enjoy.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. And I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't offer me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You can do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you want sunset? I am. I'm about to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in